Industrial classification. So there are various types of industries. Manufacturing industries में भी there are types. Automobile industry हो गई, then heavy industries हो गई, then plastic industries हो गई, steel industries हो गई, cement industry हो गई. There are multiple types of industries in India. So this national industrial classification classifies the industries, all industries in the country, whether secondary sector or tertiary sector. And this classification is done according to National Industrial Classification, which is a program under Ministry of Statistics program and program implementation. And this now has released the National Industrial Classification 2025. Why? Because types of industries are increasing. New and new industries are getting added. So with time, there needs to be change. And this launch took place during the 75th anniversary of National Sample Survey and World Statistics Day 2025. What is NIC? It stands for National Industrial Classification. Categorize all economic activities in India. All economic activities का मतलब है कि भाई secondary sector, tertiary sector, if there are industries related to the primary sector like coal processing and all, that are also there. Agri processing units, they are also counted in this. It helps in statistical surveys, census reporting, economic research, government policy making. Bhai, government will come to know na ki in which domain, how many industries we have, how many people are employed over there, all that type of data is there, and that data will be available with this classification, and government will also be able to assess ki bhai what kind of focus is required for which sector. So that is why this classification is important. So this has been started since 1962, the classification, and it has been updated over time. You can see this. And now we have the latest NIC 2025. So why was NIC updated in 2025? It reflects modern economic changes in India, such as growth of renewable energy, expansion of fintech and e-commerce, rise of digital platforms and cloud services, recognition of Ayush, healthcare and handloom sectors, and it aims to show today's economy. What is there? Because see, the last NIC was in 2008. At that time, most of these industries were not there, or were there to in very nascent stage they were there. Fintech to nahi tha. We did not have PhonePe, Paytm and all over there at that time. So, very nascent stage it was in. It is aligned with global standards. NIC 2025 is aligned with ISIC Revision 5, International Standard Industrial Classification, which is developed by United Nations Statistics Division. The revision was guided by an expert committee with help from ministries, states, departments and industry experts. Key changes. NIC 2025 introduced a 6-digit coding structure, replacing 5-digit format of NIC 2008. It allows more detailed and specific classification of economic activities. Obviously, more new industries are added. The sections in NIC 28, there were 21 sections A to U. Now there are 22 sections A to V. Divisions 2-digit 88, 87 now there are. Groups 3-digit 238, 257. Class 1304. This is basically, this had to be here and this had to be here. So this is how numbering is given to every category. So with this numbering, you can figure out ki bhai, which industry is where. Important features of NIC 2025. Better classification of intermediation services. Covers growing areas like logistics, retail, power, healthcare, education, real estate. Environmental and green economy coverage includes new areas like carbon capture, waste management, environmental cleanup and such like. Digital economy representation includes cloud computing, blockchain, platform-based services, AI, and web search portals. It was all not there in 2008. Technology neutral. It does not separate activities based on old or new technology. For example, handloom and machine-based textile work fall under the same activity. Machine-based textile work is a new technology and handlooms are old technologies, but both of them are categorized under the same category. That is why it is technology neutral. Why is NIC 2025 important? NIC 2025 will help in better planning of economic policies, accurate data collection for national accounts, support to researchers, economists and planners, better comparison of economic activities across regions and sectors, strengthening evidence-based policy making. All these can happen. It will now serve as standard framework for all official statistics, surveys and administrative data sets in India.